Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Bigyan natin ng opinion, reaction itong article ng Inquirer.net. Tungkol ito sa napapabalita na si Senator Bato de la Rosa nakahanda ang administrasyong ito na arestuhin siya once na mag-request ang ICC tungkol nito. So ito, title ng article, De la Rosa dares Palace to arrest him. Go ahead, repeat your mistake. Sige, arestuhin niyo ako. Nagkamali na nga kayo. Sige, ulitin niyo yung pagkakamali. Ganon. Former top cap-turned lawmaker Senator Bato de la Rosa dared President Bongbong Marcos Jr. administration to commit the same mistake again by surrendering a Filipino citizen to the International Criminal Court. De la Rosa is speaking to reporters in a PONFATS interview on Thursday, made the remark after Executive Secretary Lucas Bersamin opened up about the matter, detailing that the senator would receive the same treatment as Duterte, who was arrested by Philippine police in March for alleged crimes against humanity. Ito, ang statement ni Bato, if they want to commit the same mistake again, then go ahead. They can do that if they want to make another mistake. What they did to Duterte was a huge mistake. And if they are willing to make the same mistake again, then they can do the same, De la Rosa said. The senator contends that the sudden talks surrounding the ICC and the potential arrest warrants against him are merely an attempt to bury the issues hounding First Lady Lisa Araneta Marcos and her alleged link to the death of Juan Paulo Tantoco. Pantabo, no? Diversionary issue pala ito, according to Senator para may ibang mapag-usapan, para makalimutan na yung coke overdose issue. Ay nako. O ito sabi ni Bato, Senator Bato, they often do that. If there's an issue being thrown against Malacanang, now there's an issue about the First Lady. Now what they're doing is to make an issue about the ICC and a senator in order to divert the issue. People in Malacanang do that. They make rehash issues into a new one and recycle it to divert people's attention. Okay, matagal naman ito. Noon pang March, pagka-aresto ni PRRD, ayan, mayroon nang lumabas na susunod daw si Bato, susunod si General Albayalde, basta alam ko 5 police general ang isusunod. May bali-balita rin kasama si Senator Bongo, si BP Sara. Ayun, matagal na yun. So ngayon, tignan nyo, mainit yung issue tungkol sa coke overdose. Ito, bigla nagpa-interview, may interview kunuhay ang Executive Secretary. At yun, tinanong tungkol sa ICC arrest ni Senator Bato at sinabi, yes, law enforcement agencies can arrest him pag humingi ng tulong ang ICC. So ang tanong, meron na bang arrest warrant galing ICC? Meron na bang Interpol communication? Sumagot ang Malacanang, si Jose Claire Castro, sinabi, wala man daw. Wala. Kung wala, bakit inilabas itong issue na ito? O, di ba? Tabon-tabon. Tabon-tabon para hindi mapag-usapan. Ano pa? Okay. De La Rosa declined to elaborate on the preparations he's making to tackle the ICC warrant allegedly pending against him. Anong gagawin niya? Nung unang lumabas itong issue na ito, matatandaanan ko, sabi ni Senator Bato, nung wala pang eleksyon na, kung mayroong arrest warrant laban sa kanya, voluntary mag-surrender siya. At willing siya na dalhin siya sa The Hague, Netherlands para masamahan niya doon si Tatay Digong. Sabi ko, wow. Doon ko nakita yung malasakit, pagmamahal, loyalty ni Senator Bato kay Tatay Digong. Kaya pasaludo ako sa kanya. Kasi another option, pwede naman siyang magtago. Tignan nyo, si General Bantag, ilang taon na, mag 3 years nang nagtatago. Wala, hindi pa man nila nahuli. Daming nagtatago. General Domingo, yung nakahuli ng malaking volume ng pulburon, siya pa ang kinasuhan. Kaya, isang option ni Senator Bato, kung mayroon is pwede niyang yung immunity niya dahil separate co-equal branch sila, Senado. Kaya lang sinabi niya na willing siya na magpakulong para masamahan niya si PRRD. But ngayon, iba na. Dahil number 3 senator siya Kung sakaling matuloy na meron siyang warrant of arrest, hindi naman yung gulo as in, madadagdagan ang political instability sa bansa. Kung may ICC warrant of arrest at gagalaw ang gobyernong ito. Kaya nga, agree ako, commit the same mistake. Ang taong bayan, nakakarami talagang lalong galit na nga, lalo na kaming taga dito sa Mindanao. Galit na kami sa nangyari kay PRRD, tapos aarestuhin na naman si Bato. I don't know anong mangyari, kaming mga taga Mindanao and some parts of Visayas. So, laban lang, Senator Bato. Maraming tao, yung 25 million na bumoto sa iyo, nasa likod mo kami. Salamat mga kaibigan sa inyong pagsubaybay sa ating channel. Nakakatulong kayo ng malaki sa Tribong Talan.